Well, here we are at the start of the test day. I've just got my gear on and we're going to get in the car now and we're going to do set the belts up. Then I'm going to go out, set the brake bias up in the car, and then we will then get in and start getting some stages done on the track. So yeah, this is the start of it all. So the car's there and looking okay. I've just had, it's reasonably warm. It's not actually overly hot, but it's reasonably warm. And I've just had some drinks and so on, and make sure I'm not going to dehydrate myself. And so this is it. Okay, we got one run down. Brenton was with me for that run. Robbie's coming now. Got a hot face, but I've always got a hot face when I'm doing stuff. Let's just see how it's going to go.
Eat it.
Yeah, I've got that 10 right. Yeah, no, 8, yeah, 10. Yeah. That's been at 16. Okay, so what run would this be now? So we've gotten going again, and we've rectified our harmonic balancer issue. So anyway, Robbie, the co-driver, has had quite a few runs, and he's out now. I've got Theo in, and he's just going to have a keep the left-hand seat down. Car feels awesome, and learning so much at the moment, so we know we've got to put another radiator in it. This one's not good enough. Hi, it's Steve again, back in the shed. It's Sunday after our test day, and here she is. So it looking a bit dirtier than what it normally does, but that's the way it's come back from the test day. It's all straight, so that's very good. Car is brilliant on the road, on the gravel surface, and in the forest stage it was just terrific, and I'm super happy with the way it all went and so on. Our lifter issue returned. We had an overheating issue, and we've worked out that the radiator is actually too small for it, so we've got another radiator. We're getting organised, but I'm not going to persist with the lifter issue. I'm going to just move to a spare engine, so I've got a spare engine for it, and so probably tomorrow we'll start looking at pulling it apart and getting the spare one prepped, ready to go in. So I'll have that probably, say by Wednesday, I'll have that ready to go. So anyway, there it is.